पेंटागन के साबिक तर्जुमान ने दावा किया कि अमरीकी फौज में खौफ का माहौल है। जर्नैल मशरक़ी वुस्ता की तबाहकुन जंग पर बात करने से शदीद खौफज़दा हैं। जर्नैल बोलने से घबराते हैं, उन्हें खामोश करा दिया जाता है। रिटायरमेंट हुकूक के खिलाफ धमकियों के जरिए खामोश रहने पर मजबूर किया जा रहा है।
I think it's going to have a chilling effect. I think it already has had a bit of a chilling effect inside their ranks, certainly inside the Pentagon. You're not hearing a lot at all from generals and admirals and officers that are in charge of yet another war here in the Middle East. There's not a lot of communications. I think there's a real chilling effect about saying anything publicly that could land the wrong way on the Resolute desk. But it's also potentially having a chilling effect. And I've talked to friends who are retired admirals and generals, and there's some of them that feel that chilling effect as well, that they don't want to get out there. They don't want to say anything. They don't want to have their retirement pensions put at risk because they dared to criticize the administration. Look, when you retire, you're still getting a pension, so you are still liable to the Uniform Code of Military Justice. David knows this much better than I do. And you have to respect that and observe that. But you don't give up your right to free speech. You don't give up your obligation as an American citizen to express your views in a meaningful, respectful way.